Very good afternoon to all of you. Here I am Arvind Upadhyay, Associate Professor in the Computer Science Engineering Department, IS IPS Academy, presenting presentation on first normal form. First, what is normalization? Normalization is the process of removing redundant data from your relation to improve storage efficiency, data integrity and scalability. We will discuss one by one all the terminology later. How will we remove redundant data from our tuples? In this process, we remove redundant data. This involves restructuring of the tables. It means when we have a normalized relation, we first restructure according to the rule as per the normalization table. A properly normalized database should have the following characteristics. Number one, absence of redundancy, minimal loss of information, minimal use of null values and scalar values in each field. What is in normalization? We decompose our relation. There are two types of relation, lossy and lossless decomposition. We generally try to achieve lossless decomposition. Must follow, each fact should be stored in the database only once, means unique value must sustain. Does not provide the solution to all design problems. Here there is a hierarchy of normal form. First normal form, second normal form, third BCNF, 4NF, 5NF. Here if relation is 2NF means is already is in one normal form and definition of second normal form. The definition of first normal form is if there is no identifiable primary key. Second, to store a multi-valued fact in a tuple. We will discuss one by one by examples. First normal form. Intersection of each row and column contain one and only one atomic value, then it will be called in first normal form. The overall process of decomposition is place all items that appear in the repeating group in a new table and designate a primary key for each new table produced. We will discuss the concept of decomposition by example. Here this is an example one. We are having a table EMP in which there are three attributes, E number, E phone and degree of employee. Here we are having three records, three rows, E number having 111, E employee number having 123 and degree of employee is ME. Now second row is E number is 222, employee number is 456 and degree of employee having 2 degree. One is ME and another one is MB. Now employee 333 having again 2 degree, MCOM and PhD. So here the intersection of row and column is having not unique value, it is having multi-valued attribute. So this is not in one FF. So we will decompose this table employee into two relation, two tables. First one is EMP1 and second one is EMP2. In first decomposition table there will be two attributes, E number and EMP phone number. Now it is clearly seen that this table EMP1 having intersection of row and column not having more than one values. So it is in one normal form. Now again in EMP2 there are two attributes, E number and degree of employee. Now 111 having ME, 222 having 2 degree. For ME, MBA there are two separate rows. For again similarly for E number 333 there are two rows for MCOM and PhD degree. So here we decompose EMP table into EMP1 and 2. Again this is example number 2. This is a relation student. There are three attributes, ID, name and cell number. There are three rows. One for ID 1 name is Sunil, cell number, and for ID 2 name is Neeraj and there are two cell number. Similarly for ID 3 there are single cell number. So this is not in one NF. So again we will decompose this row multi-valued attribute into 4 rows. Now row number 2 is decomposed into 2 and 3. Now Neeraj having two at different rows. Thank you.